This motorhome is the Integra Line 660 from Eura Mobil. The EB tells us that it's got Insulated single beds, so there's joinable beds, two singles which have been joined at the back to make a large bed. This vehicle is 7 meters long and it will cost €122,000. So it's well stacked with kit. It looks great inside, as you will see, but it's a bit on the expensive side. So if I come to the very back, and I'll show you here, German layout, bedding laid out. There we have it as two singles. Well, it's got a bit in the middle there. We've got steps up to it, but this cushion here, well, this pillow I should say, will go into this space to make a really big bed. Up here we've got, if I can open it, oh, there you go. Look at all that space down there. So put part of the heating system down there, and there we have access to the garage. I'm now going to put this cushion over here, put it in there, and here I'm going to lift this one here up as well. We've got this enormous wardrobe in here, and once more access to the garage. But note this, there's a board between the mattress and the garage, and that should keep your mattress clean. I noticed that my garage tends to get absolutely filthy. If you don't want to open the bed, of course you can just open that up like that, and the same goes for the other side as well. Here we've got steps up to the bed, although you're not going to put storage in there. Now, one feature of this vehicle is the double floor, and double floors are great for storing things in or for putting technical infrastructure. The double floor isn't particularly deep, it isn't as deep as Heim or Cartago, but it's there. It's a great place for storing things. Fridge, and let's have a look in here. Right, so we've got the shower here with this plastic thing that comes around. I'm not keen on these plastic things because they seem to break without any problems at all. And so it's also, you've got two two drainage holes in the shower, toilet the other side. I've got a sink here which will come around like that if you want to use an uninterrupted use of the toilet. Bit of storage under here as well as of course next to the toilet, above the toilet I should say. Sorry, I'm feeling a bit tired at the moment. As you can see, there's no one else around. I'm the only person here. I could drive one of these vehicles off and nobody any the wiser until I got to the security. Up here we've got 3 burners. Here we've got a sink. Here we've got storage, and it's going to take a maximum of 15 kilos. Yeah, maximum 15 kilos here, and I'm very sad to say that Eura Mobil is using the same cheap drawers as Heim is using, not something you expect in a vehicle costing €122,000, and for which I've just given a rather good speech on what a brilliant company it is. And anyway, I was about to anyway. There you go, pull out pantry, or pull out bottle holding pantry, and more space than the double floor. I'll just open this one. I won't open all of them. Just there you go. There you've got the water release. You use that to empty your tank out when it's winter. Fantastic large table, and I think it's very nice. The bed here, shall I pull the bed down or not? So it's demonstrate. Oh, maybe I shouldn't. That's how you lock it and unlock it here, but I'm not going to do it because I'm here by myself. So In there, we've got a telly. I think that's meant to be a telly, or it's meant to be a place for the telly. Of course, you want to watch the television, you possibly find it better to take these things out, although it might be one of these soap operas, in which case you're probably better off leaving them in. That's storage up there. Extension to the kitchen. Right, so what do you think of the van so far? Mosquito screen. I'll close the door. Door's got a window in it, which is nice. Garage at the back. Let's see if it's open. But you did see the inside of the garage earlier. Let's see if this is open. Oh, it is. This bit's probably open as well. But will I get it past that thing there? No, I won't. Well, you see, at least I tried anyway. I suppose I could try pushing it a bit to get it out. I'll put this back. Right, let's have a walk around the vehicle, because if we walk around, we can always get a good more idea of other things about it. See, wonderful amount of vehicles here. Unfortunately, I'm going to open it from that side either, because we've got this one here, the Integra Line 730EF. This one here comes with two single beds that cannot be joined and a rear bathroom. It will cost €129,000, but it does look better with the storage like that and not a bed up front. Two single beds here, and let's come to the back. There's your toilet. In here we've got a wardrobe, which also has access to the outside. You've got the glycol for the Alde heating system there. There's a big mirror with me, and I don't actually come with the vehicle. And the shower has got a single plug in it. Nice. I prefer the other one. I don't like these beds, and there's not much storage in this either. A bit of storage under the bed, but not much in general. Similar kitchen, very similar kitchen. And oops, take this off. I'll have a look in here. Got some charging point down there. This also opens. And when I come out, I get disorientated where I was to begin with. That often happens. So you got Integra Line 660 EB from Eura Mobil. It's a nice vehicle, but it's a bit on the expensive side. That would make a very good slogan. So lots of other vehicles here, as you may have just seen, and I have filmed the entire range from Eura Mobil. Maybe not in the year you're looking for, so if you've just found one in the second-hand market, 2018 or something like that, and it mightn't be there what you're looking for, but there will be either a year before or a year after or something like that. There's a huge selection of vehicles on my channel. I upload every day at 21:15, and for the moment, thanks for watching, and all the best from me in Dusseldorf.